You mean all these masubuzi right now chintu kyonna kyonna kyonna? Noonya ennyaanya siziraba. Okay. But let me see. Hey, Chede told me hard. Hello? It's me Katumba from Mukono. Yeah, good. You remember me? Now I've been searching for tomatoes. Abasubuzi beno bonna zaabaweddeko. Chede. Ekisero ky'ennyaanya kingamba kyenjagala. 400,000? I'm going to give you 300,000 only. Okay, I'll make it for you. Let's make 400,000. But I'm going to send money via mobile money, yeah? Then I will be coming there with a motorbike to pick my things. Hey, soon. Because I'm going to Nakasero, Vichi. I'm busy. Now I'm going to just give you only 5 minutes and then I go off. Okay, I'll be there.
Hello, Pato, can you bring water? This katumba sending money. I'm going to enjoy. 400,000 in this pandemic. You are joking. You are joking. Opeto, but if I come for you, you come. What you go over there? Oluso kunsinga obuwanvu osigana amagezi. Obavye bujiri nja kutema.
Chede!
Wait. Sanitizing. Put. I know you are my friend. You are Katumba. Even in the gardens. You are most welcome, Katumba. You are most welcome. You know, you called me.
Hey.
I was in my garden. You know, I have a very big garden. So you told me your issues. No gambo yagale nyanya. You told me a lot, eh?
Hey.
You know, tomatoes are very expensive. So by the time you called me, I had also another customer.
I see.
Yes, so the garden I've been telling you, it is this one, very big. Actually, all the farmers in the old villages, they are yearning to buy tomatoes from me. Haven't you seen another moving outside? Oh, eh?
I saw a huge lorry like this.
With the tomatoes. Maybe you thought even yours were taken from me. Katumba. Yeah? I saw you last time when they were chasing you. Why you are destroying what? But these are the tomatoes I'm taking. Yeah? These are the tomatoes. They are very nice looking tomatoes. You get. That tomato. That's a sample. Hey, what's the problem?
Is this a nursery bed or you are going to take me to the main garden?
Excuse me. Is it what?
I've said.
Let me tell you actually. This is my main garden. The other lorry that you saw, I got the tomatoes from here. I don't have only this one.
The tomatoes that were packed on the lorry.
Yes.
Came from this small garden.
You are joking. Actually, I don't have only this one. I have also another one.
Not qualified to be called a garden.
Hey, so now, are you a minister? Actually, which ministry are you coming from? Ministry of tomato checking, what?
Although I may not come from that side, but
then keep quiet. I explain to you. I don't have only this garden. I have also another garden, plot of garden. You are going to enjoy.
There we are.
You thought I have only this one?
I was afraid.
You afraid of what? Let's go. You are going to enjoy. They are very good. Let me first cover them well. And you are going to enjoy now this one.
Hey, there are joking.
I don't want you to become like that. The garden are better. The other one acts like a window display. So those ones are on display. Now I'm going to take you to the original ones.
This is you are a good farmer.
I'm good. I'm good. And so these ones, I sing them. Do they have any problem? These ones, they are the tomatoes I've been telling you. They are very good, nice looking. I sing any problem. Show me any problem. Show me any problem. These are the prepareders. When you come and just walk around there and give you go. Who died? Did you come with a problem?
So you think by being sad, it means someone has died?
Yeah, of course. Because I'm showing you the business and then the way you are looking.
And I'm not sad because someone has died.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sad because your tomatoes are crooked.
They are crooked. So you are abusing my tomatoes.
Yeah, you see.
Anyway, let me tell you one problem. Let me tell you one thing. The so-called COVID-19 is affecting big countries. Do you know one of the big countries? We have America, China, Italy. Even it entered Uganda. You mean it was specific that I have to stop in Uganda? I should not go anywhere. So it also came to all the pretensions. It reached here. So my tomatoes were affected by COVID-19. And do you know that even those people who were affected with COVID-19, they are recovering after being put into their quarantines. So what you are going to do, you are going to take these tomatoes into a quarantine for 14 days. For 14 what? Days. Now I'm teaching you because you are ignorant. For 14 days. After those 14 days, you remove these tomatoes when they are very big and well ripened. And then you sell them. And then you are teething and selling them to you at a low price. Then you are teething. Instead of taking them to the quarantine, you press them there for 14 days, pick them out, then you can't sell. Don't you see? Can't you explain? What?
Chede,
what's the problem?
You mean my 400,000 shillings are going to just go in these joking things like this?
Which joking things?
These are quarantine like things. I don't know even what I can call.
Actually, even I can first take you to the quarantine for 14 days. Now, what are you trying to say? I return back the money.
You will give me my money.
So upon the living God, I'm not going to give you your money. I'm telling you that. I'm telling you that.
You mean my 400,000 is just going to be...
Because these are the tomatoes. You don't know the tomatoes now you want. You want your tomatoes? Yeah. You want your tomatoes?
Yes, that's what I want.
I've been joking so that I test you. Maybe you passed the interview. Let me bring your tomatoes. Let me bring.
Yeah. Oh, I was hungry.
Jesus!